Hey loves, welcome to another dose of hair products and hair tips. Today I do have the same product. You guys know I have been using this. I have the waterless cleanser from Deck and Lovely. This is a game changer. This is the only waterless cleanser that I know in the market. This has water, it has clay, and it has menthol on it. And you know the drill. You just apply it. You saw how dirty my braids were. My scalp was flaking. So you apply it for 1 minute, you leave it, and you then, after you've left it for like to do the work that it needs to do, you massage it into your scalp. You take a towel to take out the dirty excess, and that's how you achieve this look. And you keep your braids longer, because we know if you're gonna have to wash your braids every week, it's not gonna live longer. So yeah, thank you for watching. Until this fall.